fam, this is your boy Mandla Wakambata. Today is a Thunder Bay Park. You already know. Comeback journey. Comeback journey, Bafeto. We actually talk to our brothers, our lost brothers who have left home very long time ago as a result of using our substances. Today we're here to interview our Auti who have a first-hand experience in terms of our substances and not having a home. So let's about it, or how does it feel to be discarded? How does it feel? Today we need to talk to them and they need to make us understand where are their families? How do they feel? But most importantly, would they want to go back to their families and amend the Lauma relationship? Today we are going to get real stories, unfiltered. Don't change the dial. Stay tuned. Thank you.
So kathina vele ngibuya noNkulunkulu la engamphotha kakhona ngiyohamba phambili
manje ukukhatha ngapha. So manje uyatholakala ngibuyele eJapan.
ya manje
Mawubuyele eJapan ubuye emsankazo.
so ngibela bengithatha ngisambaza okay ngacela usizo abantu eJapan ngisho le Alright, so ukuthi njengoba ngi-rehab kanti bengazi ukuthi bese ngishiswa izihlahla. Sure. Isikhathi esingizula ngale ukuthi manje ngizibha ngo-12 ukuthi yabo. Kanti hayi ngingabonanga ukuthi lento lena kade ngisayithanda just manje isikhathi sesifisa yabo. Ngapha sengiyele ujini shop alimile ngithubela ngibhema ke. Ukuthi ngoba ngiyabona ngiyamala lapha isikhashanyana yabo. Njengoba ke sebazuza lapho silence ekuqaleni. Njengoba sibenza la lento nami njengoba sengidila nabo. Limele ngomuntu uyile ngihathi. Ngiyahamba ngisithathe ngibuyo, sithatha ngibuyo, but manje ngasi simple bona bayazi futhi bangizama ukuthi usizwa phanchila baze baphathana time dala sihamba noma kunini shothi babona ukuthi ayazi into abayabona sesibhathile sitholele imali sifakane nama-rehab yajukana lana but akunashintsho still sabuyela futhi
Sizobuya kuye now Thiyana yabo. Vule uphile sidisa ngakubo bathi sizobuya. Ufuna ukuzwa kuwena kahle bakayi Japan. Barinye awusiya.
ngithatha ngandadlala sengibathe bafini ngidakebedeniso shaka yera kodwa kusho ukuthi ngasa ngifaka bayisenele ngasimanje kodwa bishele habu
Bali bomali sidi boma.
so ngidlala sesibili phela lo
Bathwali sathana naleba.
Ngabali ngisethi la ngiba sinaphuta ngidebese
Bathi bayi. Ke bahlawuli you understand. I want believe you understand. Nna santsane ke le metswana. I can say this feeling ya o sabe ke metswana. Ha o lose moa hao. Ila fuja jwang. And do you think it will gonna happen contributing or we told them also the thing?
Yeah, I think it's a should now. Yeah, well, umza senimele no recently in maybe which type of that's who feeling. This I agree not the same thing no. Kula ni Savano, what means just have a student about you get security. It's in movie.
Isina ntolo. Siyonchele kuwa. Arebe bathwali. Arebe bathu kere bangadanga abangasekho utabo. Bayakhona ukuzibona la sikhona manje. Ukani uyawufila njalo ngibona mole sithi. So sithi kantate ke out. Utsamaile ni chapter. Utsamaile Napoleon kasama kitama kama sileti kitalipa na peta kwa hon itoso na aha enedeni. Yoso kale nesu tumba hausa ba. Hasa ukimeli la kufikiria ha. Bafethu la intjantshele. Ere bophelo ba rona ba feta masomo a rona re sa bone ska. Wena o nahana hore ke 2 years e se le dijara.
Wazingana mi sikati ninapigifuwezi ora nigeri na mi seni sikati sambi nicha sana mvua mchenda sambi haji mkuka ninda njai mkuka mchenda wa siyang kofi na wa ni respect I say obvia kwa kwa ubiwa lakini ndizi
Aba intwana nana na Kotmanda. Kotmanda yeli kids strategy. Mama brown share.
ngabijwana ni strategy ndo na bi osaphe usancho na no ni kisi kamela mafampe ni so once we pass through was to me see ali na picha wa masa
And again no mkhona bayasisa bakawugai ngoma 22 lenta eyabuzodwa. No return.
bawuthishile
Anchayina wena bro. Usisi manje.
Mina angisona kwanza ukwaba ngiyazi mama wangishone ngekwenzi ngithole uzana uzangasana umama shone akaqalelela ngaya intabeni
Lo level.
nje
Utsameshwa ke ma.
anga
Haro. Oh, tshwanetse be monni.
sakalizi nkulu isikhathi sahamba ngabuye esikolweni esikolweni bangixosha sesitshontsha amathebuli ukuze ngingene emalini thebuli lasesikolweni
Call.
futhi isipala yathi ngikhethe ukuthi ngikhethe ukuboshwa or ngikhethe ukuthi bangijoshe esilungwini
Obvia. Sata ngone mko.
mebe ngikosha akusana isikole esifundisana transfer bhale ezinye izinto
Ayisa.
sikufundisa
Please.
kanjalo kwami
Una how many years you have this cut? Uthola ubunye ngamathi ushabuma. Grade 10.
hayi ngayi isikole kanje siyaphithi hayi isikhathi sahamba ngokwami ngingena ngaleshampini zonke impilo zami ngiqala ukubhema nazo
Yeah.
basekho emhlabeni ngoba
Abase.
bonke yiphela yiphela funka bonke abangani bami ngitshela inkomo zisango ngosithembeni enye naye after interview ngaboshwa sasemncane ngaboshwa impahla zesikole ukuthi ngisasengini
Uboshelwa.
box again
Don't you care about? Oh yeah, so that means I mean you know. We suffering. So funny.
enixplore ngawani lapho esibhelela khona into
Yeah.
enixplore ukuze kunama-oats sixoxa ngapha
As Sithela abantu bamateksi.
Akasiboni.
Ah, next.
What case? Kabaleka mina babantu awazi. Ngibaleke.
Oh, baba uhamba kwa. Uyazi mangabuye. Hayi bakuzinzini.
December time mntana. Angibamba ngi-25.
Ngathi ze. Mara bona mthembele lathi wasithi phela nguna sama masesibomphakazi.
Yebo. Ngiyabona.
Anecabanga lezi ama-cap ifezi kubambile. So kuya-confidence ibhayisikho lisisesiphe yakhe.
Asibhekanga nasisiphephe yakhe. Sasendleleni.
Anibamba
Nawo amateksi.
haza ngisithi ngazizwa yathi. Eish.
Ngadla phansi mina. Babamba tsheli.
Awe fuka kanjani.
Sekayiwayo.
Ijani.
Kushwa kwakhe ngithi. Na. Ngibamba Leo. Uma ngithi manje.
No, ngicela amasiko ngaphethe isingene phezulu. No, we are cool. Obvious uphethe isofini ama-down awasekho kodwa bomkaza nje uba boshayela.
Hayi, ngingafuni ukunkawu.
Ongangika. So we are so fresh. Nehlathi complexion yonke. Awufeli. Then
New life. Abazali kuthi so sesitradini khona yini lokho kusane lokuma ngibiza ngiyasithayima banguzwela ngithathana vele ngiyitholisile ulalayo ngina ish ayithi ngibeni sengibuyile futhi sengiphathisa ugogo stress aphuluteze phela ngozulala
ayisana.
nabantwana bakhe bayasha bomalume bomamiyana umfweni
Zomulani uzosibulalela ugogo. Ngiyayazi that is my baby. Ngiyayazi that I can relate when I tell me. Bonza mfethu lena, there was a time la isister yami enetime alami. In fact, there was a time like when it's I'm zero. Wabona wena, ngazolida ke mshe. Yero wabona wena. Wena wathi bakyawana. And you know, ungadvance him. So, Anton. And you know, rukuchayele mfethu wetala. Lero kone rukuchayele wetala. Mathiwa mandaki no ruba. Kifuka mdimori. Nkara kanka wena tu. Aibu. Baba ni hatanka nina kile mwao kutoba wa ma. Ati yini phela mfethu enginetholale. Engine-patience. Kinabele borata. Ankabayi pati uloba. Beba ke. Pati
Wena ke leyisho ukuthi akekho umuntu onjela ukuthi ayizi masemeli members ngoba umamfumo. Yebo baqala bathi uzulu kuba bathi siphinda bayazi wena isizweni isiwayo.
hayi la. Nona ana mfethu kodita uthi sizazwa.
Ngiyamthola.
Abathi babuwa sopa.
Athi wena ukuze wena yithi
Ayibo.
mntana kuze wabona kumele lathaphe ukuvaya manje ngeke lishile bonke ukuziyasi ukuvile indlela zwe ibenziwa imphathi imali ukuthi ya nje ngidala kunendawo phela nokusakala yini flow
Jairata ra le liwani ngone runa no ba thabare la re le ba le diketso tsa rona wa ntshwa
kuyasiza kuntala yona yena ukhula isitembe ilaza ngemfundo nemaqiniso nokubafeni isipili lapho futhi yasiza ngoba lelo vele kuthi bathatha ngoba nami ngafana umthetho ngoba isisawu ungathi njengoba khona la ngifila noma imisthala ngoba ngiyasiza lezi
Modifa.
modify
Ana nini?
ngicabanga nje leko nje kuphela yabona njengoba ngithi isizo sakudinga kakhulu kumba ukuthi sakhathi kangakanani
Mani okay. Before re fitela bafetso. Ontsha. Ya fe mantswe a mang o wa utlwileng a buileng ko wena. E le hore o na le wa nahana na o le one. Maybe ka ba ausi ka ba re ditse ka ba le ho ema. Mantswe a na bua ko wena. Like nna mantswe a na bua ko nna. Ke a hopola sa ba la pele le a nna se dimo se fela ba no ko ile kae ka. Ko le tlola sa ma ditse. Ya se tse ko se tlola ni le se se tlola sa ma le. Ya ko ntse se. Ko ke se le se la ta. Nah, no, 50. Eba futhi mara tseba nna e bitse ba re se shaka na ne le batho ba ba yang tsoya
Tukala so mina afofo wami akujose ngangitshela lo. Funa sibikile. Sengida mina shebe 2 years.
awumthola mfethu busy ngamanihle. Speaking of amanihle bafethu, because remember ukuthi kunabakekeli yabona nabaningi babo abayazi yabona, and that's why ngicela nina mahawuthi ukuthi sizoba like again. Understand? Ke batla ho tseba hore dithuto o teng motho ba leng a qala nyawo gore nka dithae nka qala ka ho spike pele
No, no,
e re qale ka wena o ntse no qadile jwang
mina ngicale ngokugema yitsa.
cocktail
Ngisema ngesikhathi esinye.
ngabe so fani
Yabe sengisilisile.
yeah
Umuntu sifika siya.
enyaweni
Kwenzeka siyataba enjoy ngisathela ngizongibeka.
yesha mara before tari when no fima chimus before I assume beno kalilwa
Yeah, nangitaka ngizo.
yabo ngoba nami vele uvula icala la mara I spend never here before siqala nje ngisha already versus and because already system so one of the give way yalandela one thought no I get up and I didn't know that when taught at 16 that's for one thing you notice it's something actually the spine and it was a little child because you know for fellow and so they give me a high time one day so many of us are going guys but I can't see the air no because the one that is manje ke nimshileni manicabanga abagcwalisa bafaka yazi bafethu onke ngeke experience the crystal men bafaka of soul. That's why I always say my cousin when I carry the crystal I keep a source of soul. That's why I don't know that you know one tone of
Na into engibhebhe yo. Shopping.
Kindan
TP.
but yeah ke batla re tle ra bene bo health issues bafethu wa tsona no nna ke batla ho tseba hore taba di ne feng ga bo ha ile two so ba tse kwa sa this thing on sure la tseba bene hore exchanging needles can cause friction ama infection so this did as one did I know especially Then I look at obvious. I shall put it down. Look into. I would say, "I like you to the start."
Wena siwasibenzisa ukuthi thina thuphele sebona isithatha sami ngisathe yabo. Noma ngiphathi nje uvalo langishaya kuphela. Mangicabanga nje ukuthi isithatha sami Jehova
yilo and okuningi bethu amount efamily yethu aphuza amaphilisi noceda amawayini yekesa
iyanje abaningi.
izolo nyana kune okusegolile la
No, but for the child holding. Most of them are out here to go like I did kids. HIV most of the time, I told you from sexual intercourse. I told you from the baby.
Ngafika efuningi sinje sidini uma nawe ungasiphi ngafakubona. Then from there unafuna ngizwela soyasipha sishawa iTV. Chilungisiso.
Umuntu akabonile la manje ukima ngolipota wethala.
abantwana nabo abazange bafike
Lesenza.
So mangizovuka ngilele laphana. Ninishiya kanjani?
kanjani
Ngiyophandle.
Kaze ngithipenda ukuthi ngilale nabantu abanjani. Mina njengami. Mina ngijoye ukushila ngifona ukuthi ngasabuki ngizama ithi ngiza abantu ifemani ngisize nawo lethi ngizala
Mabangakulalela. Isikela.
nami ngijahe ukukhatha ndaba yabona ngizoba ne-pension uma sengibhadile but bangakacaci hayi ngizozama ukukhuluma nabantu bangangithatheli kodwa ngiyadlula
Bafethu. Ngicela kwami ufike ngamajaji ngifuna not iqala bese simfubela ngikho ngamajaji. Mina ngikaze bafethu ngabhema nentwana yenayo.
hayi ngishiphize
We all know, and I'm saying this without any fear. Ukuthi most of abafowethu abapay. And most yazi ukuthi lezi sivuma ngapha.
yeah
Angikaze
izovele
ngabhema ithani nentwana ebuma ezamba. But I maybe you in Zimbabwe ngoba uyazazi sezifana nathi. But Nigeria, Congo, angazi. Franka yezwa yini ndani?
yazi bakhona kutonda manje isifanele eminyamandamo for each
Yeah.
sikhona
Sikhona.
sihlala khona la eminyamandamo
facilities ngabangani
yathengisa uyabheka
Mari sengisho ukuthi yina mangicala bese ngiyezwa. And then I know masikhona kuthiwa out of 5 impaka beyithatha or 2.
not more than
Usikilona kwangicala wena.
ngisho nama-news yakhona
Yeah.
ama-China
So la ibona nje ukuthi ngifone addiction yayo. Ayinataba ngozolo ngosotho you are white you are black you are female because lebanyana yabalima.
futhi ngapha ngibona abaningi ifemeli umama ubaba umntwana uyabhenywa
Ngitshele bafethu. Winter. Ngiyabona le mvula lezi. Ngoba lethi iphaza cethu class.
ngophala kunzima
ngiyijabula
Kuma de challenge bafethu le jwang. People divide to talk.
yabongwa
ayiphithi yasebusika yena uma uzothola imithi eyizinto ayinangisithinta yini kade lokho simanzi basanukona nesiporo la khona kwabona ukukekana noyintombi rafata ulana ke mothi esikuba khona
the most lapho akhona
Njalo ke ndani challenge bafethu. Ebe spend abuka. Maybe first sell the bushwa. Una no spend abuka kansam. Masithi khande. Now you love me. Dano do khande. Do fun do. and 400. How do she the hair for Sabushi the Saturday issue?
Uso for man in Gator, La Vela, also for La Vela, the mother would be engaged. Jason would change like a shower. And then some kind of single in the
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Pony by wins a ball, the wins a Meeting is a dance. Meeting is a dance. I'm outside ball. Yeah, I'm outside shy while I'm free. I'm outside ball, so much about my town, my city. Yes, I'm sorry. Manje bakukhuluma to ngibanda kanjani bantinji yabona kwesibhedlela sine lesibhina isipeyisela imoto yabona njengoba ibhizi kaso ngipayisa imoto sabantu babathisa imithwalo yabona sithi mompara umuntu kanjalo abadlela bamasana amathona njalo ngile igubhini makhiyeni ngantshela ngiyakholeza kodwa ngabavele nje sangalisa ngantshela kunjala anda kanjalo futhi zithi indlela zokuhamba fakisa umhlaba umthwalo Alikazi ole lakho la khona wenza one face. Alikaze labona upakisa imoto kuphethe iphupho. Ishezi ngibona mhlawumbe ngoba ezinye zakho ngiyenta zikujadile. Sase kusiyo ezami. Ngeke sibuze kusina manje. Ngithola bona ngoba vele niyo le nto Ngiyenza ngathi ngitapusela lokho ngingeza ngathi ngenza ngiyanthola ngapha but obvious ngijabulile ngoba wena naye ufuthi bafunda wabakhathala yabo ngiyakhathala ngikuthi ngikuda mntana mabulile I can see on umunalo uhulu Uwale. Atiwa wapetole le mutse sebetsa bana lo yo mutse sebenza hayi zithwala kuzithi yanisana
Yabona ngiphanda ngiphilela nje. Imali engiyenza
Vile scope man imali isema
sindlula insini.
le can imali nami ngazazi
Sindlula insini.
yayo masaya sokushaya milayini na phethe zakhe ngiphethe zami so nayo ngiphethe ifrunene le phanda isaphande le drug kebe le kebe di pele di phethe chodo wasilela kawa imoto fanga ngiyadrive
baba nawe wathi washuva kanje waso lolithe draft sesakho
awusaphatha
wasapho umphisa
actually awethisa cherivuka
thola so
yone ngethusa
aliyona nje ke badolo lithi uphande ngomphakathi la uzophinda
And obuningi kwabo ngiyakubhema.
no but that's what I understand ukuthi yakuhlukumeza le ngoba ikuphandisa noma ungafuni hayi ukuthi njalo ufuna ukuthi uqubulana ngoba but bafethu ari bueng he hore eriqale ka wena if nona le opportunity ya hore mamela pro aka e karata thuso e jwa o kare
Ngiyekwe usibhema Tolongeto kumele endlini emndenini wami izindawo eziphusathi mina since ngibheka ama-drugs angikoqali ukuzama ukuthi ngiyeke ayikuyenzakaleli into kusho ukuthi manje mangithi ngiyayimeka
so great bro safuna
angiyazi ngiyazi ukuthi yawunikeza
Unix isaqala ubhema wena wazidawa to our viewers ha o ka re wa ba explainela ona tse first ba di shebile o re ba explainela hore down ke ntho jwang o ka re ba
Sound ezimbi uzwisa abanye abantu ubuhlungu uzwise abantu ubuhlungu abahlunguwe abantu abakuthandayo ungabi nizwelo ngesitofu baceda uphike down
emfetho down insome down o kgona ho utswetsa motho ha o qeta go mo thusa hore le shebe ntho down
Yeah, I mean, like, you down, moving on the satire. Lama ya satire, was if you have to watch a mission and cook it. Then you should look at how good it is.
mmele mo phila jwang ha o sa fate down mmele ba jwang
phela bhuti omdala idawuni lamashavu
as far
yabona njengoba lokhu amaphisi asiwayazi khathala like ilale naphaya thongo bayo
It's a long book.
no
ezalala
yasona
hola lapho futhi
lenga
so wenza
Yeah, yeah, boss. Because that's what they call you. Then say no, one day we will find it. That's it. So yeah, that does you. Yeah, but for the second, we have one by to see if I pay the better than the chat and for that was
mafetho azozalala lento leka lelani yabo yazi ukuthi ngikubile kufuthi futhi kanjani ngisho ene bathu baba matara baba ngikuba bayisi wabona konke ena bathi once wakhina ka ewakuthi awuthi mari nje bathe kungwa yini kore eschool ori nje yetsa ngifise bathu bawuri ata Bele manda likhet nankarata bakhetho uwe i-team ya obot libone me ikalithisa jwa obot but before that I think thuso engwe hape bengere a dikarata ale ka yona buthi sambe ini ngithuthi sambe bafethu ngizomqaleni obot simple. Dreaming about it, understand? Because even if you can say you offer you have, maybe you decide you have, you talk about the consent yabo. But not only about this, but about our you need to say. You need to have the session. Oh, mama, no, baba. Uba wingi kwa kanto dikeso tena house uba yetsa mmegin kelo yo tsonta dime kelo podi kelo no ba shi ona ni tsa ba sa tsong understand se ba petse to chala pa baba go ba every time out can I miss it discover message ya risioni yole orube but baba safa yes, kudu na rasampare, ma mi chop to sport. Ona le patu ba safa more. Na wa fecho tolo ko para dito etanga. Sabi ba kana sumana ba sa skulumen. Ligani lu for ba. Where are they?
Let's look at
it's all about us. Don't miss it. See, don't say you keep on pay. Don't keep it rush. And the Patubala Bahono says, sometimes when I get water, trouble can now you get off of one, let's go up with 12 other times. And a man of one of us in a bike blue. And a stone. What's up with the play? Siyan, ilan sister ni Shuru, kani wala. Now, not off.
Bofo ngakriza ngicela ube right ungacabangi kakhulu. Ukuba manje ngibekile imoto ukheli. Sizeze ekhaya noma kunini yimi manje engifunile ngiyafuna ukuyiyeka le nto ngizokufisa isikhathi eside ngokuyazi. Hlezi ngibekele ithandazini sokubonga nami.
Bazali bami, ngiphethe amasotsha. Nje noma nizwa ukuthi bazimisele, bafuna ukushiya. And I can say to you, proudly say, yazi manje mangincedakala thina amathemba. Bayingathi abanye abantu abazongincedakala la so khona umuntu ozokhona ukubeka phuma Ramona if siyena akakhona or ayifole na ukuthi we are going to give our family so much hope. Bamthole. That's why kuthana abathwali kere bathwali. Anytime sizoza sizongena endlini siphethe amasotsha. Ngoba nangu ngiyabona ukuthi azimisele. And I love the fact of it. What's about recovery of petrol eqala hamba to asabi. Yona I never felt it with you. Understand? Mina ngizwini. And that's what I see from them. Understand what I mean? Two so that you do like that. Maybe before keep one. Any other ways, any other thing that the tabaka the umphakathi waseValley yazi. Anything. Okay, maybe then you start by saying, "Can advise yawo ngoba nembaba ola basikolo bathi bali bika be happy baby bathi bali bika mpepazi isikolo ku itraining bathuma ukare inkobo
Abona kinaphatha ukudala iphini ngabatshela ukuthi lapha emakhaya mabune umntwana ozaziyo ukuthi sinani life into right. Shukane lesidala kiwo. Shiya phansi into edala ingqondo ivele imali soba life. Njengoba ulethe ufuna ukuba yini because nami nginama-dream nginama-dreams amakhulu namanje sesenawo but ama-dreams wami ashabalalile ngendaba yokuthi ngidala ingqondo kakhulu. Stay away from P55 ngidala ingqondo no matter ukuthi the small izolo happy as long as confuse ukuqonda stay away ngaphaya bese uzolimala uzofana nami la isho ngilale strategy nje nawo ngizobhayisela nje nawo masichinja ukuthi nani izolo yalifaka ngifike mangibona phaya ngabe mawudala iqondo ngizofana nawo but ngifuna bena stay away so like this.
I love that bro. I love that too. Man uzositshela ukuthi nawe ngeke ufikele. I mean something Listen, bit of figure that's gonna show in your open. Ngoba sitele kumnandi bari trust ukuthi bafona no guide ubona lo pattern. Ah no batao kanye ukuba re tamo tipo di.
Mawubhekelela ichiki hobo bona hobo.
Phela into bengisho
Hey,
Usana lo wateka bawe.
Ngikho nje ngeke ngibone nje. Phela lule la kulanga lathi bothi ngibheka kwamanje. Shawa yini? Yabona nje ngawo ukuthi khona ukusithola lena esipora so bajayo kwenza ukukhulu izakhona ukuthi mina lapha kuthi ngidala ngoba thina yabona sidabe bana ngene ukuthi hayi ngiboni ufundise ukuthi nasekusitali start la ayaza ngene isisho so kudilela uthiyami chaybo Vali sitazwa yunga kwa 12 umalungi ne umalungi yani awukena futhi ukuba siphathiso bone siba bawusitazwa
ngizongeza
abakwida anaba bokumelo kene de
ungena
Ngiyazi kusela ngasizisa bayabona
phela nje opportunity you get something to say number South Africa awukena ulitho olubathathiso ofela date
Social Funga.
That's when you want to as a fan. Yeah, we use to see that.
So people who don't
I'm going to make what I'm told you. You can
umuntu nayini voti kunabantu abanibiza national presidency duela under government bayenza basitha amagama basitshele ngamavoti you can't read it only to find out la bantu lawo bethatha amagama wethu follow kwakho asingekwa
Oh, batlatsa database. Ngare lona, ke tsone batlatsa ba bona ba phusha tafole yabo. Cut double pay. Bazali bam, angazi ukuthi niyezwa na.
smart.
Angazi ukuthi niyezwa ama-out. Ama-out athi nanoma ayemtholampilo. La kumele sihamba South African khona sithola umele. The very same people we call professional people, bathi abavumeli ukuthi bangene. Bathi uyasilungisela. Bathi soxoshekile uthothwe ngitho. Indawo ekumele sikhalele kuzo ukuthi sithole imali. Ama-gents awavumelekanga. And yet, usunga lemali. Usunga lemali. Futhi la ukhuluma ukuthi bayeza abantu baka-government. Bathi bazobhalisa abantu abafuna ukuya ema-rehab. And ama-out athi, because only thing funa siya-understand. Just because of tourism, even though ngasaphume la, because just because of PDP, it doesn't mean that I've never been like you. Just because of good drugs, it doesn't mean that you're stupid. And I think the problem, yeah, but banana how to get it for dog. I don't understand. And this is what I'm out to say. We are very much aware of it. Some of you would come and you said you want to offer help and you take their names and their particulars, and that will be the end of it. Never coming back. And I'm out. Push on. As butchery, Nicolisa, you know, mandate, you know, push Angelini, he can't. Or I if you can get a key about. But if I let them.
kukhona into odomo ungabizi end number yakhe
It's new. They must not scream. It's new. As of financial
So bona bayazi nami ukuthi kuyachat.
Ngiyafuna ngathi ngasho kanjalo. Ngiyafuna nawo. Lapho dabe ngeke wathi ukabona ukuthi bese bona wanisa ngithatha baphuma kithi usizo kakhulu.
Okay, ngizocela le opportunity. Certain opportunity and say maybe bathi sifedi. Here is the government. Now government bafethu bathoke ukhuluma ntanga wena. Yini ongayithanda ukuyisho engasineda, and not only wena but even nalabo abasemva kwakho.
One would you say, ngicela nje ugovernment kwentana ukuthi afinyelele manje strategy lawa fisho esigimayo yafuwa strategy nakala udakamile zakhongoza sadinga usizo kakhulu semakhaya abanazi siyacela ugovernment in-charge ama-edits kuyanyiwa some of us siyafuna ukuphuma but asikhoni asino-charge ngitshela athina sithi kurapho thina ufisa kulela uphuma but shayisa ukungayithini siyacela ukuthi government nakanawo amandla ifinyelele lapha esitradini ngisho abafethu uma uzoba silasi aphume ebafuna ukuphuma ezihlalelekanga but singathi ngangini lokhola yafika ukubona cela ugovernment yafinyelele lapha esifari so sesibili khona abafuna isipho khona abangatholi isipho but ngicela kulabo abafuna isipho basizakale ugovernment akeze ngithi yasipho indawo leyayo
sibe nemisebenzi
Yeah. No, ke batla le nna o emphasize on it. I think patience. Come on, patience. I kabangata fela, you know, working with abantu abanikini. No, I work with this government and I very good teach turn it to the future. Otherwise, I never know.
never
When I put them to
mina ngathi ugovernment ikhiphe imisebenzi. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi into engasinceda kakhulu umsebenzi because mawuqeda ukuyeka ukuhlala kuphela kuyena eshona kwakho but makuna something ozoyenza
So, after rehab, tholakala something esingayenza njengoba let's when ke singabheka isikhathi because bawufile lokushinga ubhoreka yabo achoose nabo yile bababhekayo uzothusha endawo le ngayithi kanti
kulapho ke
ngiyela fact kanti lapho ke rehab isengasabheki ngoba ngesipani sakho ke engabheka ntamba miyabuya
even
quality ngabona sifuna nje just ukuba asifuni imali ezisana ukuba busy just to get away from here society yama-substance yathola as time goes on masengijwayele ukuhlalela uchini ezweni usoka la siyangithola because manje sengijwayele ukuthi ngisekhaya ngithola base bokuhlala ikasi ezweni ungasaphi ukuthamela yes when ngiphuka indaba zemali yethu just for manje bese kuphupha nokukhohlwa indaba zokubheka ngithola yiyo into eziyakala
ale ukuthi
Ngithathe le opportunity kumbonga yabona thathe le opportunity baphethe kukhuluma nafi thathe le opportunity ukubonga ukulayitisa especially abazali understand nezintanga zethu nabancane kithi yabona ngale mpilo esibhekane nayo yabona baphethu ngiyathemba ukuthi CKHD we gonna come up with the solution yabo ngeke sikwazi ukunceda wonke umuntu uhlele yabo but the help inyana lesinayo sizozama ngawo wonke amandla yabo ukuthi sithole incwadi bafethu ngiyacabanga ukuthi nami maseninceda ke ngiyofuna ukukhuthaza abanye ngibatshele ukuthi incwadi ukhona yabo ngizobeni ngeke ya no hayi anikwazi yo bafethu sirephe any last words sirephe
and that needing usually to stay away. Numbers are like a Makaya skin between you, treasure, but cheaper, I say you cheap.
This is the end.
Babukeli sibonge kakhulu to be part of us. Sibonge kakhulu sithume KHD ukuthi sizokuzwa bafethu ukuthi South Africa, not only South Africa but even South Africa ibhekane nazo umthetho kunzima la ngaphandle and this one goes to bonke abazali just because wena umntana akhe akabhema ama-drugs ukazini mina ukuthi abanye abazali bacela uNkulunkulu abantwana ababhema ama-drugs nabo abazali bebangazi ukuthi bazofika la abakhona kunabazali abasafarayo abazi abantwana abakuphi ngoba abantwana bathathe ile state sama-drugs mina ngacela abazali if you have not experienced what other parents are experiencing, please pay for ama-checks. That's all I'm asking. Tell abazali bathandaze lama-checks. Nithi manithandaza nakusasa nesontweni. Nibabeke abasey'tradini. Nibabeke abasey'bhedlela. Nibabeke nalabo abasazoqala ababheme bangazi ukuthi bazifakaphi. This is a fight for all of us in community. It's not an individual. Zocela abazali ukuthi kakhulukazi. This one goes to wonke ama-professional, especially ema-clinic. Yes, niyazi, not everybody ema-clinic bayafana. Kodwa bakhona laba abanye that turns away umuntu noma sekabonile ukuthi maybe lapho bakamnceda. You are public servants. Siyacela bafowethu, leave of service. Sincedane. KHD, Manda wanamba. Yeah, out.
Ngicela ukushaya isithombe kancane ngisakhuluma
Bafethu ngiyabonga bafethu. Nabonga bafethu. Njengoba ngishilo into engizoyenza no akhuluma nale yami
ngale kanza.
Yo, what an episode. What an episode. Comeback journey. Nizwile bafethu. Nizwele ama-out expressed how they feel regarding their addiction, by expressing regarding their family matters. They've also expressed deeply regarding our government, our public servant, especially in my clinics. Baringile ama-out bafethu ukuthi they need help. Baringile ama-out ukuthi they acknowledge ukuthi addiction yabo doesn't only affect them, but most importantly, it also affects their families. Aringile ama-out ukuthi bakhathele bafethu. Impilo yasestradeni ayikho mnandi. Bongani said something so profound that growing up he would watch TV and every time they would see a hobo, he would actually say, yo, Mari, hobo, not knowing which one day he was going to be in the same position. Aringile ama-out ukuthi baphanda ngendlela ehlukile and they spend so much money with addiction. Khulumile ama-out bafethu that they need us. Not only as KHD or not only as Sumandla, but umphakathi waseVaal. Ama-out they need us bafethu. They are looking for help. So I'm challenging you abantu baseVaal ukuthi please let's partake. Sincede nama-out. Yes, maybe today it might not be your child, but you don't know what tomorrow holds. No parent ever asks God ukuthi babanikeze abantwana kuma-edit. So you never know. When you are not in that position, tomorrow it can be you, and you'll also be asking for us to come and help you. So before then, help abanye abantwana. Bazali bami, we ask for your prayers. Thandazelana ama-out. Kusasa amanye emasontweni ngicela ukuthi nibabeke abaseyitradeni, abaseyibhedlela, abasemajele. We need you. KHD, Sasomandla waKaMbatha, indaba ezithu, Shando kaNdaba. I'm out.